How to clean the paper roller in your Canon Pixma TS7720 printer. There are two options. First is to go at the printer display panel, click on the setting icon, select maintenance, scroll down and look for the option roller cleaning and select it. So this is the automatic roller cleaning. Click yes. Now you have to select if you want to clean the rear tray or the cassette tray. So let's select the rear tray. So make sure you have loaded more than 3 sheets so that it can do the roller cleaning properly. So this will help your printer that is having the paper jam again and again. So it will clean the roller and it will pick up the paper correctly. Once it's done, press OK and click on the home button. Now there is another option to do, that is using the manual method. Go to the back side of your printer. At the back side you will see, if you remove this cover, the paper roller is here. You can lift it up and take it out. Now you can clean it with the paper. So clean all the rollers and then reinstall it. Let's reinstall. Just place it here and let it go in, and then place this cover. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching.